Good morning to our little cabin here on our way to Amsterdam on the ferry. I'm going to bring you down to the map and I'll show you what we did up until now and where we're going today. So what we've got is, yesterday we left Moffat and we travelled down towards, we stopped off in Gretna Green and then did a tour of Hadrian's Wall and then on out to Newcastle. Since then, now we're on the ferry. We're just about to dock in Amsterdam, so we've come across all the way down to here. We're just literally outside there. We're just about to get called to go down and get our vehicles. So the plan today is from Amsterdam to make our way down towards Stuttgart and Munich. So we're going to have to turn it over. So we're coming into Amsterdam there, and we want to make our way somewhere. We want to end up camping or staying somewhere around this region here. There's Munich there, so in between Stuttgart and Munich, if we can get that far south by today. It's roughly about 700 kilometers, so the big day, big driving day today. So that's our plan. We'll see how we get on. But anything can happen. Thanks, guys.